show you Move of the Week here from Encore Performance Dance Studios. Chantilly, I'm going to put the link to their wonderful studio in the description box. Thank you to Mario and Raynor for allowing us to record here. Beautiful place. Sugar push, 3 and 4. Twisted whip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. How we do that as far as a whip goes. So you can come a 1 turning on 2. 1, 2. She does a coaster step. The right foot coming forward on 4. So what she does, don't look at me, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, what you're doing is as she's coming past you, you have her right with your left, switch hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, do a jazz box, come up, come over, and come back. So let's go this way, front to back, so you can see that. Switch hands, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ask for her left, simply by putting your left hand out, okay? Because from there we get twisted. So we'll go this way, stop on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, with your right foot, you can step back to your right and twist. So you're going to use basically this hand to turn her for 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can use your other hand to pull her forward to do the twist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, turn, step 3. It's a very cool move. Guys, stay off the track. Let's go this way. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, turn, right to right. Okay, if you don't, chance here you can hit her in the head. So one more time, going the other way. So 1, 2, keep the hands low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what do you want to do here with 2 walks? I'm going to turn her to the left, full turn, switch back to hand change, or whatever you choose to do in that right to right. Okay, this is a fun one. I've been doing it for a long time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Twist, turn, and then hammer lock, bring it down low, switch, turn. Okay, one more time, front to back, and we out of here. Sugar bush. 3 and 4. Right to right, switch hands. Guys, twist and turn. And then keep it forward. Change hands. Switch. Called the twisted whip. Such a fun move. Hope you like it. She likes it. If she likes it, you gotta like it. Give us a thumbs up. Remember, Cancun Cantina is where she likes to dance. If you want to come, she'll say yes to dance with you. Put the link there as well. Anyway, have a great week. Subscribe. Till next time. What does he do, Miss Grace?
Have a great week. Keep dancing. Bye, guys.